Good day, guys. Welcome to the second video of the free. Welcome to the second video of the mentorship. I welcome you to this another video of partner analysis. In my first video, I mentioned about how I study partner and support and resistance level, how I study them before I discover this strategy of mine. But when I discovered this strategy of mine, I then know how strategy works. Do you know sometimes we just see head and shoulder and we just start trading head and shoulder without knowing what the price reaction that caused that head and shoulder. The first thing I first did in my analysis is first look at the movement, the market movement, which is here. I know I have impulsive move to the upside. I have one corrective movement here. I am fond of using my line charts because through line chart I can draw it clearly. My trend line, yes, I see I have an impulsive movement here. Now this is what I have: corrective movements and impulsive movements here. This is what we really have, guys. So the first thing I first did when I start analysis, I start analysis. I start first and identify the movements and the phrase that we are now. Maybe we are in impulsive movement or we are in corrective movement. Like in Euro US dollar now, we are in corrective movement. So I will take one step. So now this video we are looking for partner analysis, and if you can see this, go to the weekly chart. Our first partner that I'm going to show you here is double top or double bottom. That is the first partner. Those partners are really good when they are according with the market structure and the market movements. First thing you must know is that if any partner move against the market structure and the market movement, that partner is not valid. This is the first law you must put in mind when you are doing your partner analysis. Any partner that is against the market movements and the market structure, that partner is not valid. So you should take that partner. So here you can see we have double top, and after the double top or W formation, you can see we have a down movement from here to here. You can see, but do you know that it's within the market structure? We will talk about the market structure in the next video, and it's within the market nature. That is why if we are here, we can take this trade and also this. You can see it, though it's a small double top, but yet it still has something to capitalize on. Though it is small, but we can see it that it's in the right place is in the right place when you are trading. Partner is not the priority. Partner you is not the reason of you taking a trade. You should not take your trade based on the partner you see, but you should partner is a reason we are when say reason are some of the reason we are gathering, some of the reason. It's not the major reason, but some of the reason we are taking the trade. Like for example, this trade now, we have the market structure that we are in a downtrend. First, we are in the downtrend, so we are expecting a turning, a price turn here. We are turning price here, turning price here, turning price here. So we are expecting it until the breakout of this structure. So and then we are here now. We are here. We are probably expecting a breakout or coming down, and we discover a small double touch or W formation. This give us reasons that this trade may not break this structure, but it may come down. But we can't take a trade purposefully because of this double touch. That is what I'm trying to see. We can't take any trade because of just one partner that we see. But we can take a trade if we see many other reasons to take that trade. Like this, we see the structure, the market structure, the turning points, which is our major reason, and the double top, which is our second reason to take the trade. And you see, after taking the trade, you see we will have a lot of pips, like from here to here and to this place, almost 300 pips, but we didn't take a trade based on the partner only. So another thing is we can see another double top here. You can see it here. You can see this area. We are in a turning point area and we see this double top. So this place we can take our trade, and you can see how those things move. Those things really move. Those are the partner that I love to take when it's in accordance with the market structure and the market movements, when it didn't work against them. And like this, you can see here we have a support level, a resistance level here. Price, we have first touch, and we see another reaction here. I'm talking of this one. You see the first reaction here, the double top movement, and then the price top here, and it move like this. We see another double top. This give us a reason that this thing is not going to break out, but it's going to retrace back here. So we have reason to take this trade if we are in the market when this partner fall. So the first partner we are looking at is the double top. We have the double top, we have the triple top, and other stuff like that. Like this is a triple top. We have first, second, and the third touch. Those partner are really nice partner to trade, but you should take only partner that in according with the market structure and the market movement. For example, what I'm saying, if market is going like this and you just discover one, I'm coming, you just discover just discover one head and shoulder like this. Head. I'm coming. Let me look at what I can use to do example. Assuming the market is doing like this, you just discover one market is doing like this. I'm not good. I don't know how I want to draw this head and shoulder. You have head, shoulder, shoulder. In this area, please give us a reason to take this trade. But let's say we have the head and shoulder in this area. It's totally against the movement here. We can't expect a down movement here because of this structure. Can't expect a down movement here because of this structure. So we only take a partner that in according with the market movement and the market structure. So let's check another pair for this double top and double touch. Let's check another pair. Like let's look at Euro US dollar. The first thing I will do here is first identify the phrase that we are. We have impulsive movements. I can't really say this is impulsive movement. I don't know. Impulsive movement and another impulsive movement until we have our corrective movement here. So now I'm going to look inside here. Maybe I'm going to find any partner, any double top partner. I see something here. There's something here. This is really a turning point. This is really a turning point, and you can see this little double touch or W formation or anything you may call it, and you can see what it really give us here until we have another double top here, and you can see even this place we have a resistance, a support level here, and we have a double touch. You can see it. You can see how this market move in around here. So let's go to the weekly chart. Maybe we can see anything again. The daily chart, so you won't confuse that maybe I'm seeing some double touch here. I see guys, the first touch is here. This is the first touch. This is the second touch. The first touch, the second touch. You can see after the reaction we have price coming down, and price is still coming down. We have price coming down to this level, and probably maybe price is still coming down like that. Again, you can see Let's look at this area. Maybe we can see another partner. A double touch partner. Here we have a triple touch. We have a triple touch here. Those things are when we have multiple touch like that supports the market structure. They give us edge. Means is to take that trade. Means is to take the trade. You can see it, guys. So probably maybe let's say we have if you start looking at this movement now, we see here we have some little double touch here, some little one here, and even little one here. This is what I really mean by the double touch. Price will come here like this. It's still double touch. And price may go like this. No, that one is too much. We have different types of this W formation or this double touch formation. We have some like this. This one is higher than this one. We have some like this. With this one and we have some like this, which both will be in the same level. All these things, all those one are good. In as much that they are in support with the market structure, they are in support with the market nature. They didn't move against the market structure. They are good to take as a reason to. They are good to take. So you can see it that almost everything here has the double top, and also we may have it in the support level like this. It's not in the resistance level alone only, but we can also have it in the resistance level. But always remember that there's no how good that partner is. If that good is not in support with the market structure, it's no validate. It's no trade that you should take. When I say that, son, you should not take every opportunity that you see in the chart. Every opportunity that the chart presents unto you, you shouldn't take it, because some opportunity didn't have much room to go. They didn't have much room to go. So let's take a look at another pair. Let's take a look at another stuff. Probably let's look at Euro card. You can see it. You see that we have our first touch here and our second touch here. So this is what we really have. This is what we really have. So this is the formation that we have here. So let's first look at it. Maybe it's according with the market movement. I think let me first do this. You have impulsive to the downside. Then we start having corrective. Start have a corrective. So that's exactly this is what we have. So it is really a valid one. It's a one that we can trade because it is within the structure. Is within the structure of the corrective movement. It's within the structure of the corrective movement. So you can see it. Maybe let's go to another. Let's go to weekly. Maybe we can see this. So in the weekly chart, we are see some do there little. The market impulsive down. After that, we start having some form of corrective movement here. And you can see how the trend line move. We have our first W formation here, and again we have the second here. So this pattern are really a nice one to take if you are in the markets. That the major reason I use line chart is that I quickly discover a lot of partners than candlestick. You see in this candlestick we didn't really see anything, but when we go to the line chart we see stuff. We see a lot of stuff here. So we have our first. I'm sorry guys. You can see this is double touch. This is double touch again. So those partner, the double touch, the triple touch are really nice partner. They are really nice partner to take. They are really good partner to take if they are in support with the market structure. We are going to talk about the market structure in our next video. If they are according with the market structure, they are really good pair to take. They are really nice thing to take if they are according with the market structure. So maybe we should look at one more example. What can we look at again? Maybe let's look at this. Having network issue. So here, first look at what we have. The first thing we have here is we have an impulsive movement to the upside, though it's in a corrective manner. Then we have a movement to the downside again. Then we have another movement to the upside before we start having a partner like this, and it's a partner on its own. This is even a partner on its own that we are going to talk about. So we can start look at the structure from here. Once you break out here, we have a double touch here. You can see it. You can see it. We have a double touch there. We have a double touch there before the breaker. Let's go to weekly charts. Maybe we may find another again. I'm sorry guys. Okay, there is also here the down movements. We have some here, first, second. Even this is a triple touch. This is a triple touch. This is a triple touch. You can see it. So double touch, double bottom or double top, they are good partner. They are good partner to be looking for when you are doing your analysis. They are good partner to be looking for. Another part, they are good partner when they support, when they are in according with the market structure and the market movement. They are good partner to trade. They are really nice partner. So without wasting our time, another partner that we are going to check immediately is ascending channel or descending channel. I call it channel, and this is what I'm really saying. Before I've been telling you about the issue, and the channel I love most, because the channel I love most and I trade most is those with three touch. 1 2 3, 1 2 3 before the breakout. Sometimes I really trade those with 4 touch in one side and 3 touch in the, but the perfect one that I really love to take is the channel with 3 touch and breakout. So they are nice partner to take. They are good partner to trade. So you can see this. After this, you have a breakout. You have a breakout. So this is a channel. You can see it here. We have something like this, and we have price reaction. Price reaction give us 1 2 3, 1 2 3 before it break out. So those partner are really nice partner that you should start looking out. Like my best partner is this ascending channel. That is the best partner I ever trade. I love this partner because they are 80% certain and they are almost 90% to the starting of the partner. So that is why I really love the partner. When I have the breakout, I really take it because I know it. If I take 100 of this partner, I will have 80 to be win. I will win 80. Sometimes I will win 90 because I've practiced many of these partners. So guys, I'm advising you to start looking at charts, practice this partner, We are talking about the double top. We are talking about, and we are even talking about the parts now, the shining now. You can see something here. It's like I'm seeing one double top. I have a movement up, and you see something. Exactly the same thing. Exactly the same thing. Exactly the same. You can see how the price move. This is the combination of price movements. The combination of price movements. If you are really study the price movements, when we got here, we have something like this. We got here, we have things like this. You must be confident that price will really reach here because of this movement here, because price is in a corrective manner here. So it is good to study how price move because it help us a lot. When I start first, if I want to start analyzing chart, when I if I want to start analyze charts, I start with the market movement from the monthly charts. Then I look at the pattern in the monthly chart. I go to the weekly. I look at the market movement there. I look at the pattern there. Then daily. That is how I start. That is how I continue my analysis, and it's very simple for me because I know how it move. When you start know how the market move, you will be able to predict it. When you combine the market movement with the partner, you will be able to generate a market structure, and with the market structure you will be able to predict the next market movements. That is why we are doing all this. When we know the former movements and the partner, combine the partner with the market movements, we will generate a market structure. And when we generate a market structure, through the market structure we can predict the next market movement. So guys, let's go to another thing and see, maybe we can have an let's go to daily charts. Let's go to daily charts. What do we really have here? Let's go to 4-hour charts because we can see all these charts even in the small time frame. It's like, let me look at this one. Exactly, we having one pattern here with the three touch of the stuff 1, 2, 3. I'm possibly expecting a breakout with this place, and if I have that breakout, so I will be assured that price will reach this here. That is why I love this partner very much, because when it follow your prediction, it give you a large pip to capitalize on. It's a nice trade to capitalize on. Like if you look at this movement, if we were here from this place and eventually this movement confirm, you can see it from this place to this place. It's a very nice movement to capitalize, very nice partner to capitalize if you see anyone in your chart. So start looking for ascending channel or descending channel. Ascending channel is when it go up and descending channel is when it go down. Like this we have ascending channel, and the monthly one is descending channel. Let's go to the monthly one, let's check it. You can see that it come down, it descend down. We are expecting our movement here, but in these 4 hours we see that it goes up, move up. So we are expecting a down movement here. So you can see it guys. Here we have W formation, the double top formation here. and this is what I'm really saying, that if we were here now, we want to take this trade, you can see it. We have a structure here, and I said this channel is the structure. Then we probably know that we can't really have a breakout. We may have it, but we don't usually have it. So we don't usually have a breakout, and now we see W formation or double top. Now this gives us reason to enter the trade, because we know that the market is coming down. So like this, now we have first reason to enter this trade here, and now we have another partner entirely here, which is ascending channel. And let me tell you something again, that this whole movement is really impulsive movement and collective movement, that we are probably expecting a continuation. So guys, do you really see something here? This is really impulsive movement. You can see it, that you have less pullback in this trade compared to this one. This we have price move here, price move here again, come here a little bit. So this is what we really have here. So we are really expecting a continuation to this place. Have impulsive movement, corrective movement. So before you even do your analysis, first look at the movement of that price. Look at what form that partner you are trading. Look at what form that partner you are. If you see support and resistance level, the first question you should ask yourself is that, how did this partner form? Because support and resistance level is a partner on its own. How did this support and resistance level form? When you know the reaction, the price movement that form it, it will be easy for you to predict the breakout of that support and resistance level. When we know the market's movement that form a partner, it is easy for us to predict the breakout of that partner, because in every partner we have a breakout. That is just certain. Every partner give us a breakout. A W formation give us a breakout. A M formation give us a breakout. Channel formation give us a breakout. Every one of them give us a breakout. Even support and resistance level, they are all a partner. They give us a breakout. But the importance of market structure in the market movement is that when we know the market reaction that form that particular partner, it will be easy for us to predict its breakouts. That is why the market movement is very, very important. So guys, let's go to another chart and let's look at how things work there. Let's go to Aussie card. Is like I'm trading that stuff this today, even on that trade now. Exactly, the monthly charts. I have did a video about this movement, that I'm expecting a movement like this, first touch, second touch, and another movement like this, and I'm expecting a breakout, because I think this will later form a channel. You can check that video on my channel. I did that analysis there. But let's go to the daily charts. Yes, we are in the daily charts. You can go and check this video. I did a video about this particular movement here. did a video about this particular movement. Let's go to 4 hours and let me show you something why I love this shiny trade. Reason of me loving it. You can see this 1, 2, 3 breakouts, and you see where the price stop. You see where the price stop. We have two type of shining. We have one that is straight, and again we have one that something like this. Once you join like this one, you see it's like this place. Once you sweep together, once you join together, I all classify them as ascending shining. I all classify them as a shining, ascending or descending shining. I did this thing in my first video. Even I made a mistake there until Monday when I want to enter trade. When I cross check my analysis, that is why when I see the mistake I made. But if you watch that video, you will discover the mistake I made. And another thing here, we see another thing. Let's go to 1 hour. Let me show you something here. A trade that I have since morning into the trade. You can see another shining here. You can see another shining here, and in this another shining you can see something like this. So if probably you are here in this market, you can take this opportunity of this trade. You can see we have W formation here inside the ascending shining. Inside the ascending shining. Inside the yes, ascending shining. So probably we may have breakout like this. We may have breakout, or price may still come back here and break out, touch this place. So guys, ascending shining is one of the important partner that I encourage you guys to start looking at. I encourage you guys to start looking for. Because it's really one of the partner that I love most. And if you can see this reaction again, you can see we have impulsive downside before we have a little retracement here, something like flag. You will see it. And then we are expecting a breakdown here. When you look at the market movement that form a particular partner, it is easy for you to predict the next movement or the breakout of that partner. So guys, that we have mentioned double top, W formation, or triple top, M formation, or anything. We have mentioned shining partner, ascending shining or descending shining. So the next partner that I want to let us look at is what I call the flag. If you can look at this partner here, this is how flag partner is. Have something like this. or we may have something like this, something like this. That is how partner look like. And do you see this movement? You have something like this, you have something like this. Definitely this is a flag movement, so we are expecting a breakout here. We have impulsive movement here, corrective movement here, which from the flag partner. Impulsive movement here, we have a corrective movement here, which from the partner. So we have flag partner in the 4 hours. In the 1 hour we have ascending partner in the 1 hour. That is, I will teach you about partner separation. This give us an reason that this thing is coming down. We have two partner that tell us that the price is coming down. So flag is another important partner that you guys should look at. Flag is even one of the best partner that I trade the most. Flag, I love flag and ascending channel. If you can just trade, if you can just take note about of these two partner, guys, you will really enjoy price action because we always see them constantly. Let's go to 1 hour and let me show you something. But we have two types, we have many types of flag. Before I even show you things, we have larger flag, tighter flag, flat flag, and many flag like that. But let's look at this movement here. Larger flag, very large flag. Then we have the breakout here. So flag, I in one of my videos that I uploaded in my channel, I told you that flag is 80% continuation partner. If you see a movement like this, you see flag like this, it's 80% a continuation partner. So anytime you see a flag, it is 80% a continuation partner. Let me tell you something. If you see any uptrend that wants to break out, the first thing you should look at, that if you have some element of flag partner, when you see a trade, a uptrend or a downtrend that break out, or even a shining that break out, before it break out or after it break out, we see something like shining like this. After it break out, you have larger flag here which we can capitalize on, and after the larger flag, you see how the market break out, you see how the market move to confirm the 80% rule of this movement here, of this shining here. So flag is another partner that I will encourage you to start looking at. Double touch channel, ascending channel or descending channel, and flag partner. This is how flag partner looks like. Have something like this is a flag partner. They have something like this. It's a flag partner. They are 80% continuation. 80% continuation. Let's go to Euro US dollar. I'm looking at stuff on it this afternoon. Let's start from the daily. You can see after this movement here, the next thing that we see is you see this flag. This is what we see. No, this is what we see. see after that we have a breakout, and again we have another tight flag here. We have a break, so we are having another flag here. We are having news tomorrow. You can check this thing. We are having news tomorrow. There's 80% that the news will break it out. The news will break it out. You can see this place. You have a lot of partner formation here. You have a lot of partner formation here. We have a lot of flag formation here. I mean, you can see it. This is a larger flag. We have a small flag here, and we have another large flag here. So flag is something you should learn. You should learn how to identify it, because if you can identify flag partner in a chart, and if that flag partner is in according with the market movement and the market structure, I'm telling you, it's a good trade to take. It's really a good trade to take. So you can cover all partner, and even I don't trade all partner. The only three partner that I trade the more is those three partner: the W formation, or M formation, the triple touch, ascending or descending channel, and flag partner. These three partner I trade the more. So guys, I want you to go to your demo account, start identify these three partner, starting from the market structure, in the market movement, and start identify this partner. Guys, if you can put this thing into practice, this small thing you are looking at, if you can put them into practice, you will really thank me for sharing this opportunity for you, for sharing this information for you. So guys, thank you. I think I'm stopping here. So thank you for watching this video to this place. So thank you guys.